Doing is I run all the way around here. I use hey guys, good morning. Hope you guys doing amazing out there. Today I want to create a fitness video. I want to create a day in my life with fitness, especially when you're going through tough times. Sometimes you have to be strong mentally. Why I'm doing this because I recently lost my dad, and I've been struggling, because it never happens to you before, you never know. The pain is endless. So I have been doing fitness, especially cardio, to strengthen my mental health. So this morning I'm walking to work, which will take me about 30 minutes to walk to work. And then during lunchtime I'll walk to the gym, and I want to do a bit of exercise like things that I do in the gym. Then maybe later during the day I'll be using my drone to capture a bit of cardio like running. So I hope you enjoyed this amazing video. Consider liking the video and also sharing this video. The video might motivate someone who is going through a lot. Thank you. I hope you enjoy. Hey guys, it's about 10 minutes past 12 now. This is the gym I use. It's PureGym. Inside there they have a lot of workout stuff in there. What I'm going to do is I'll go to the gate. I'll use my phone to check in. Then I'll show you guys what I do in the gym. I'm not going to do cardio today because I want to do cardio later. So come along. Let's go to the gym. Let me show you guys my new gym outfit from Under Armour. Then I'll show you guys my workout routine for this afternoon. Come along, let's go. So I'm in the changing room now. This is what my wife got me yesterday. Jay got me Under Armour. I'm going to pair this with a singlet from Adidas. This is my gym outfit. This is my Adidas. I got my microphone here. This is my Under Armour pants. Well guys, let's go have some workout done. Right, so because it's not my normal daily routine, I'm just going to do some of the stuff that's my cardio exercise. So this rope here, it does work all your body. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to whoop it like that. So I'll do it probably about 10 to 30 seconds. Then I'll wait for a bit. I'll relax, breathe in, then I'll go again, probably about 10 seconds more. Now I'm done. Right, so now let's go to the next one. I'll find something for my chest, so come along. I'll change the weight to probably about 50, 23 kilos. This is what it does to your chest. So whenever I do my 10 sets, I like to take a bit relaxing moment, probably about 5 seconds, then go again. I normally do 2 or 3 sets, then I'll go to the next one. Because it's a little bit busy this afternoon, I won't be able to do my stomach exercise, but I'll do other ones. Let's go a little bit faster. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, we're done this part now. Now let me go find out something to do for my shoulder. So what I would like to do is I like to keep my weight the same set. So what I'll do is I'll change this to 23 kilos as well. So this one I'm going to do, I'm going to pull this. This is good for my chest as well. So do you see that? That's what we're going to do. We're going to try to do about 10 sets. All right. Forgot how long I've been counting, so I'll do the proper count the next round. All right, let's switch the camera to this angle. Right, another 10. So now I'm done now. I was going to do the stomach, but it seems like it's very, very busy, so I will continue. Another one, I think this one is probably free, so let me show you guys how that one is done. Now, let's wait for 10 more seconds. I'll probably go with the final one. I'll go there to see if I could do 2. All right. Well, I'm done. Thank you guys. Down there, that's where I do my cardio, but I'm not going to do that today. This is PureGym. Thank you for joining. Let's continue later. Okay, so guys, what do you think of my workout? The gym is actually open 24 hours. Yeah, there's a car park here. Big car park. Yeah, even there's McDonald's if you want to, if you fancy some McDonald's, guys. Yeah, so I joined the gym. No contracts like PSC girl, but you know, if you decided to join, you can continue paying. It was amazing. I did my bit of workout now. Now the final bit is do my cardio in the park with my drone. Hopefully the weather will be very nice, so I can show you guys how unique you can create content with DJI cameras. Well guys, thank you so much. Let's continue this part of a day in life. So guys, my next stop now, I'm going to Aldi. It's quite a nice supermarket. Their opening hours is Monday to Saturday. They open 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. So even after work, you'll still be able to do your shopping and your groceries. On Sunday, it's different hours. They open 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Because it's kind of rules in the UK, so you can only trade in a certain hours. So I'm going to Aldi now to get my fat-free yogurt. Because when I'm doing my workouts, I like to make sure everything works out perfectly, because imagine doing your workout and eating junk food, you can't get the result. So I'm going to Aldi now to get some yogurt and some fruits. So come along, let's go to Aldi. Right, so guys, this is the Aldi. This is where I'm going to get my yogurt. They have a lot of trolleys down here, so you don't have any problem. They also have a car park here. Yeah, they also have flowers outside here. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to go straight in. There's a automatic door. They accept Apple Pay, American Express, almost everything. So guys, let me go straight into where I'm going to get my yogurt. They have fresh produce here, so you don't have any problem at all One thing I like about this shop is everything is laid out properly. You can find your carrots, your onions, yeah, your buttermilks, potatoes everywhere. And look at how huge this potato is. Wow, I've never seen a big sweet potato like this. Maybe I'll need to get this later. It's good for my workouts. Well, I'm going here to get my yogurt. I just want to get it where nobody is here. So this is where the yogurts are, Liz. You can see natural yogurt, very delicious, and it's going for £1.9. While I'm here, I found out they also have a peanuts, and peanuts is very, very good for me. So I just get 2 pair of these peanuts. The peanuts actually going for £59, 59 pence. With the payment, it's pretty easy. It's a self-service. You just have to scan, and once you scan, you make payment. This is how the machine look like. Yeah, I'm going to put my basket here. Then all you have to do is select using my own bag. Please place your bag. Then pack here. See exactly what I'm doing. I have my 2 peanuts. Exactly that. And then scan the next one. That's all the items I'm getting today. And then when I finish, all I have to do is finish and pay. You know, it's a nice shop, honestly. I do probably shop here almost every day. Yeah, because it's not far from my work, and they close 10 p.m, which works for me. And even if I'm in the gym very late, I still manage to get to the shop in time. Well guys, I'm going to have my yogurt now. Now the final part is take you guys on a run using Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing amazing out there. Today I just wrap up my gym content with DJI. And you guys, what I've been doing is I run all the way around here. I use a mode called DJI follow mode. This mode actually follow you when you're running. So what I did was I power it up, I connect it with my phone just in case the drone fly away, I'll be able to return it back home. So let me give you a roundup with what I've been doing today. I wake up about 6:30 this morning. I did a push-up, I did a sit-up. Then I walk home. The walk took me about 30 minutes. Then lunchtime, I went to the gym. I did a bit of gym routine just to show you guys what I do in the gym. And then after work, After the gym, I went to Aldi. I went to get some coconut yogurt. Amazing coconut, guys. It was so delicious. Then after that, I returned back to work. I had my coconut yogurt. It was so delicious. I paid with honey from Aldi as well. Clear honey, guys. When you get there, get clear honey. It's very, very nice. So I walked back home. Then I went to change. I put my Under Armour on with my Under Armour pants, the blue one JA got me. Yeah, the only thing I don't like about the Under Armour, this one, is it doesn't have any supporter underneath. So it's like your bits dangling around, which I don't like so much. Yeah, maybe I need to make sure I have small boxes underneath, just in case. You know, you never know, people are out there, people might be looking, staring. Yeah, so yeah, that's what I mean. See, let me go further so that you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Yeah, it's like, it's a bit transparent in a way. Yeah, so guys, what I've used today, I've used DJI Action 5 Pro, and I've used DJI Neo, and I've used DJI Mic 2 as well. Yeah, it was amazing. So the whole content cost me £1, excluding the camera I use. What I mean £1 is I had coconut Greek yogurt. So yes, Under Armour gallery department to protect me from the sunshine, and the other Armour blue shorts and a Yeezy trainers. So guys, thank you so much. If you do enjoy the content and you want me to do more of this amazing gym routine, please do let me know. I think I've been losing weight, but I want to lose more, and I want to lose more and also stay fit as well. I just don't want to lose weight for weight losing weight sake. I want to be fit as well. So guys, thank you so much for following me up and motivating me to do this amazing content. And for those of you who joined the live stream today, I really appreciate the time you put into my content, watching my content. I really appreciate you, and I will definitely see you guys in the next video. But this baby here saved the day to make sure I finish the routine down there. Thank you so much. I'll definitely see you guys in the next video.